Let's talk about English-only employment policies and can you implement such a policy at your company? My name is Nina and this is a quick business tip. If you would like to know more about how to better run your business, human resources, and other business operations topics, you know what to do. Click that subscribe button and smash that notification bell so you'll be alerted when new videos are uploaded. To date, there is no law that states you can't have an English-only language policy at your company. With that being said, if your employment policy states that English is the only language an employee can speak and that employee can never speak another language anywhere while on the clock, it is a high probability that your company may get in trouble with the EEOC. In general, English-speaking policies are tricky and controversial. The EEOC has specific requirements that must be in place to keep this type of policy legal, since there could be a fine line between legal and discrimination here. Here are a few EEOC guidelines with regard to having an English-only policy at your company. Any rule requiring that employees speak only English at all times, including at lunch or while on breaks, is rarely justified. An English-only policy should be enforced during the circumstance in which your company needs this policy to be enforced, like talking to customers, emergency situations, or for cooperative work assignments in which the English-only rule is needed to promote efficiency. Despite the need for an English-only rule, an employer cannot take disciplinary action against an employee for violating the employment policy unless the employer has notified the employee about the English-only policy and the consequences for violating the policy. Before implementing an English-only policy at your company, I encourage you to understand how an English-only employment policy will translate in a court of law. No matter how well the policy is written, it does no good if management is not properly trained as to how to use and apply the policy. Remember, if you are contacted by an attorney for this policy, the burden of proof is on you, the employer. If you think your company has an issue and needs to create an English-only rule, I highly recommend that you consult with your licensed employment attorney. Thanks for watching.